yet, okay?
A lot of pressure, Michael.
Yeah. You have a question? Like you said?
Just email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I
Did you
can.
say you have a question?
No.
Oh,
So there's a lot of pressure.
well, if you do have a question, you can ask me.
What key is the song going to be?
It's going to be in C. That's
Sure.
easy. Real nice and easy for you.
Oh, I like that. Oh, too late.
Manchester is party capital of the world. Manchester is party capital of the world.
It's a hard harmony.
Sing it! Manchester is party capital of the world. Yeah. Manchester is party capital of the world.
I can't hear any of you sing. Can you sing this?
Manchester is party capital of the world.
Let's try again a little louder. You ready? 1, 2, 3.